Welcome back to Unveiling the Ancient World. I'm Chris Krafke, your companion on this journey through the annals of history. Today, we're stepping into the world of patriarchs in our episode titled Journeying with the Patriarchs, Understanding Their World. As we journey back in time to the dawn of civilization, let's follow in the footsteps of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, the patriarchs whose lives and legacies continue to shape the course of history. But to truly understand their world, we must first immerse ourselves in the rich tapestry of the ancient Near East. Imagine, if you will, a vast expanse of desert plains stretching as far as the eye can see, a land of nomads and wanderers where survival depends on resilience, resourcefulness, and the bonds of kinship. This was the world inhabited by patriarchs whose nomadic lifestyle epitomized the rugged beauty and harsh realities of the ancient Near East. But what was life like for these wandering tribes in the wilderness? How did they navigate the challenges of tribal societies and patriarchal traditions? And what role did cultural customs such as hospitality, marriage arrangements, and inheritance laws play in shaping their lives? Let's start by delving into the lives of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, the founding fathers of Israel, who embarked on a journey of faith and discovery that would leave an indelible mark on history. From the fertile plains of Mesopotamia to the rugged hills of Canaan, their odyssey was fraught with peril and promise, testing their courage and resilience at every turn. But amid the trials and tribulations of their nomadic existence, the patriarchs forged a legacy of faith and perseverance that continues to inspire us today. Their stories remind us of the importance of trust in the divine providence and the power of family bonds to transcend time and space. So as we journey with the patriarchs through the sands of time, let's marvel at the richness and complexity of their world, a world where faith, family, and tradition intersect in a tapestry of human experience. Join me next time as we continue our exploration of the ancient world, uncovering hidden truths and timeless treasures along the way. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Unveiling the Ancient World. I'm Chris Krafke, and until next time, may the stories of the past illuminate our path toward a brighter future.